Days with your mama Mish.
Yo, mama.
Hello, everyone.
Hey, it's your Mama Mish, and it's Fairy Day, so come on and make a wand with me. Some key supplies that you'll need are a piece of paper, a pencil, or a popsicle stick. I know you guys are enjoying the summer, keeping cool. And also maybe 2 strips of ribbon or curling ribbon will be fine from Dollar Tree. Get some tape and your scissors. And if you really want to get fancy, get your favorite stickers and crayons. Okay, let's get started. So with your pencil and paper, you will draw a giant H because we're going to make a giant tooth. So trace out your H. Then you're going to also make it like a bubble letter. So you'll circle around it, make a loop around, then go over, then make another loop around to trace over. You're going to make this a little bit higher. All right, and the last piece, you're just going to make a wave. So you're going to do an arch, a dip, and an arch, and you're done. Then grab your scissors, and we're going to trace the bubble outside that we just drew. And don't worry if it's not perfect, just trace it the best of your ability. All right, almost done. Just going to trace this last little loop here. Go around, go up, over, and then down and around again, and you're finished. And we have our tooth. Okay, if you want to use your old pencil with no eraser back or your popsicle stick, go ahead and flip your image or paper over and you'll paste your ribbon or glue it or tape it. And I like to put 2 pieces of tape. So one across the back here to make sure that it's adhered to the popsicle stick itself. Then also one from the popsicle stick to the piece of paper so that it's nice and secure. Okay, now we can decorate. So you can grab your crayons, grab your stickers, and have fun. And you know I'm the queen of bling, so I gotta put some little gems on here as well for my little handle. I'm gonna write a special message. Hope you have a very happy fairy day. And I'm gonna just draw just a cute little design on here. Make it nice and fancy. And we're done. Visit yourmamasworld.com to grab your book and fairy accessories.